What's up, Essence, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl J Essence, and I'm back again with a brand new video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is J Essence, and I'm super happy that you found us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam. Now guys, in this video, as you can see, we'll be doing another tutorial, and this tutorial, guys, is a Cinnabon tutorial. Now I had a video on my channel with this look, but honestly the quality wasn't giving, so I said let's create an updated Cinnabon tutorial for my Essence fam that I know they will love. So yes, if you want to see how I achieve this lovely quick and easy natural hairstyle, hunty, you better stay tuned to this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam.
That's so lovely, girl, that he gave me in. So I fall to my knees and I pray you, and I cannot deny that you are the one for me.
Right, first things first, if you have not moisturized your hair, you're going to need some stuff. So whether that's going to be the oils, water that you generally use, or butters, you're definitely going to use that. I can tell you the things that I used. First things first, I went in with my water, kind of water, but what I went in with, you can use water, but I actually had boiled some rosemary with cloves to really spray my hair like and stuff. So I used this really to moisturize, but add some water in it. Then I went in with my shea butter, olive oil, castor oil concoction mixture that I do, and I use that after to really moisturize my hair. And then I went into my hair with this I think it's Miel or Miel, so Miel Organics moisture Hawaiian ginger moisturizing hair butter. Let me just see if I can put it up for you guys to see. Yeah, so this is a moisturizing hair butter that they use. It's really nice. It's not really oily. It's a light texture that I really use after to go in my hair as well. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored, but yeah, so that's what I really use to really moisturize my hair. You're going to need this other stuff to really get into the styling process. So I recommend a wide tooth comb. To sleek down my hair, I use two stuff. So I use the Gorilla Snot, right, the yellow one. This really works. The only thing I don't like about this one is that it leaves some some yellow residue on your hair after a while, so you just have to be mindful. And the Got To Be glue spray really help with flyaways and sleeking down my edges, hunty. All right, now the next thing you may need is a hairbrush. Last but not least, you're going to need a tail comb, basically. So that's basically what I think I'm gonna need, or what I usually use when I'm doing this hairstyle. All right guys, so let's get right into the video. First things first, I have to prep the hair, so I'm just gonna really comb through my hair right that. What I usually do, I just do a like pre-thing while I work on the base of the hair. So I'm just gonna wrap it up like this. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go back in with my water thing, just prep the hair, and then I'm gonna go in with the Gorilla Snot, right? A generous amount works well, you know. Rub it up and apply it to my hair. You can brush it in, you know, with your hairbrush. Hi guys, so after I actually, brush the hair in, sleek it in as much as possible to get rid of any flyaways, we're going to hold it and grip the hair as tightly and firmly as possible to hold it together, and then, use a scrunchie to secure the hair, right? After that, you're going to just pull the hair apart to get it, as close to the scalp as possible, right? What I also do after is to get a second scrunchie to hold the top of the hair, basically to get the hair out of the way while we try to sleek the base of the hair, right? I'm gonna go in now with my Got To Be glue spray. This is my best friend when it comes to sleeking down my hair, guys. honestly it does get the job done. And then I go through with my tail comb. Basically, once I brush the hair in, to be very honest, and grab it and secure it with the scrunchie, then the only other thing that I use would be my tail comb to comb everything in. And then I go right back in with my Gorilla Snot gel, and again you see me using my tail comb again, because I only use the brush to really just hold it together. And then I'm gonna go in with my edges. You know, the girl is no pro on the edges, but sis has been improving rapidly. Okay, all right. All right, so actually I'm gonna go in again with the Got2b glue spray, because that really helps with my edges as well. Yes, you guys can use your edge brush if you like, but I use a toothbrush, you know. I use a toothbrush to really get the edges slayed, and then after I do that, I'm gonna go back in my Gorilla Snot as well to hold it down. Right. And you see I'm just using that to go over what I would have sprayed with the Got2b glue, right? So the edges are looking nice, you know. As an amateur with the edges, it's looking lovely. All right. So yeah, basically I'm gonna go right back in with my Got2b glue spray to ensure that the base of the hair is as snatched as possible. I work on the base, and then I'm going to tie that base down to ensure that the edges stay nice and the flyaway stays, you know, down. You get me? So let's do that. All right, so we have worked on the base and we tie it down, but the thing with tying it down, guys, I want you to bear in mind that you have to leave some parts down here. You can't really tie it down, because if this part goes when you're ready to put the hairpin in to make the buns, then that's going to affect it. So you have to like leave a little space there where the hairpin can easily go through. And now it's time for the second part of the cinnabon, which is going to work on the actual bun. Okay guys, here at this section I'm basically combing out that portion at the top to ensure that it's centered and fully ready for parting. What I'm gonna do now is to section it. So the thing is, you have to find, like, you can do as many buns as you want. The more buns you want, you know, you have to do it in smaller sections. For my hair, I normally go 4 to 5 or even 5 to 6 buns most of the time. So yeah, the buns or the number of buns that you want to do is solely up to you. Okay, so first things first, to do the buns. As I said, the hair is already centered. Get my tail comb, and I'm going to just part it. So you work from the center and you part it from the center, come down, right? So from the center area, and then, as I said, I don't want my buns to be too big, so I normally go to 5 to 6 buns. So I'm just gonna do a nice little small section here. This is my bun. I think my bun can be a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna take down some of the parts. Now this is the first section of my bun, and because I don't want everything else to mix, I'm just gonna get a nice little scrunchie just to hold back the hair, or if you have any hair clips, that works as well. Okay, so for my first bun, again, I'm gonna go with my wide tooth comb, and I want to comb up my section for my bun. Okay, so this is my first section, right? And now my thumb, or your thumb, is what you're going to use to really make your buns. So the thing is, the section is here, right? Your thumb, you use it and you hold it, and once you do that here, turn it, you get hairpin, and you actually pin it. The tail, sometimes there's a tail part that's left after. You can just wrap it underneath the hair, and that's basically your first bun. Okay guys, I hope you guys saw that, but I'm going to continue with the back portion, and then I come back to the front to show you the last bun. Okay guys, so I'm on to the last cinnabon. Alright, so the last one here again, just to really show you guys how it's done. We have this last section. Again, you're gonna comb it out with your white tooth comb. The thumb is what you're gonna wrap the hair around to create that bun effect, right? So thumb, wrap it around, and you like that. Pin it with your hairpin, and for the leave out now, you can just wrap it under the next bun. You can use another hairpin to really secure it or hide it. And also what you can do is like go around here, look at the hair to see, you know, any flyaways that maybe there are any part that needs to be pinned or secured, and you can just go in with any extra hairpins. Again, I normally just go back in with my head tie or anything to really sleek down the hair, like for our next 5 to 10 minutes. And this time I'm going to cover the whole head, edges, buns, and all. So it's roughly like 2 to 5 minutes, and I'm going to just do the reveal of the cinnabon right now because I've tied down everything, and this is it. Right, so it's giving neat, it's giving sleek, you know, it's giving bun. Right. Most of the time, everywhere that I go, persons are always interested in this. So yeah, I decided to create an updated video. So yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, when you all make your cinnabons or whatever, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram, or you know, just send me a little DM or on, you know, TikTok or something to let me know how your cinnabons turned out. And yeah, let me know how you felt about the video in the comments. I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe to the fam. Until then, I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.